Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tina in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna make some fritters. Jamaican people say fritters. So I'm gonna make some saltfish fritters. Alright guys, and I have this saltfish here. It has no bone in it. So what I do, I rinse it off twice and come on over here. I have just one piece in some water. I'm just gonna let it boil up, just a quick boil, and then I'm gonna throw off the water. All right, because me don't want it overboil, because I want some ice salt. So that's it. I'm gonna turn it off now. And over here guys, I have 2 cups of flour. You can use more or less. I'm gonna do it both ways. I'm gonna do the curry fritters, and I'm gonna do just the plain old-fashioned Jamaican saltfish fritters. I have some curry, some black pepper, some frozen sweet pepper or bell pepper, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, onion, half of tomato. I'm going to use about 1/4 of that onion and 1/4 of sweet pepper, and I have some scallion. Basically, you just want to cut up your vegetable really small. And now for the final thing, I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. My saltfish, you can use more or less, it's up to you. And what you want to do now guys, you have just enough salt. Whoa, pepper the palm hand guys. Yes, you just want to pick it up, and I'm gonna put it here. Oh my god, the pepper. Ooh. Onion and scallion, sweet peppers, bell pepper, tomato, pepper, optional. You can use whatever you want. And the saltfish. Well, the saltfish could have been a little bit more still, but this is okay. You can put more or less, your choice. And look at that goodness. Yes, that's the Jamaican fritters, or fritters, so them call it. Just give it a little mix. And that's it. I'm gonna add my water, just regular water. Put all of that. Maybe me I go want more. You wanna make it soupy. Not runny to run go a gully, but soupy. Me say guys, the pepper give me a warm time over here. Lord of mercy. Alright guys, when you're done mix it and everything, it should be like this. You can spoon it, or you can drop it, or whatever. You can throw it out, but it should be like this. I'm just gonna add a little bit more black pepper. How you can test if the oil is hot, you're gonna tip a little bit. And then you know it's ready. I think that's ready. This is just regular vegetable oil. I'm gonna use vegetable oil on some, and then I'm gonna fry some in coconut oil. So you wanna go in and you wanna spoon it. You can make them big or you can make them small. And I'm gonna switch it up. Now I'm gonna curry it, all right? I'm gonna add some curry powder. I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon curry powder. All you wanna do, just to mix it up, just like that. 1 teaspoon of curry powder to about 1 cup of flour. And that's it. We're gonna fry that batch. They're moving around freely, so we're just gonna turn them. There you go. I like to press down on it a little bit like that. That's my liking. You don't have to do that. If you think they want to fry a little bit more, you can always flip them over. Just like that. You see how they're floating? They're almost done. All right, guys, I'm gonna remove them now. Can you see it? And you want to put it on the paper towel to drain. And there you have it, guys. Regular saltfish fritters. All right, now we're gonna go on into the curry part, and I'm gonna leave these to drain. I'm gonna turn them. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take them out. They're so fluffy and nice. Ooh. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna leave them to drain and then I'm gonna show you. Jamaican saltfish fritters done both ways. The good old-fashioned way, and yes, the curry way. Both ways, the same thing. Your choice, okay, guys? Eat up both. I'm gonna eat both. All right, guys, this is the final result. Look at that goodness. If you're in Jamaica, this is good with some fried plantain, okay guys? Or if you have 2 slices of hard-dough bread, just sandwich it. Put this in the middle. Oh my goodness, a cup of chocolate or coffee tea. This is good for appetizer, good for breakfast, good for lunch, even for dinner. You eat whatever you want and however you want. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. All right guys, bye.